Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the DIY Teardrop Camper Build. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the finished product of my DIY camper. It's been a little while since my last video, but I've been working on the camper a lot. I've been going camping every now and then, and I've been really busy with work, so I finally have time to make a video about the finished DIY camper, so that is this video right here. It's going to include all the new things about it, and a lot of the little accessories and everything that I've added to the camper to make it a finished product. So coming around the back here, we finally have our rear door. It is completely finished. I have a gas strut on either side. I use this really nice T aluminum track, and I have a bulb seal on top and on the bottom. It has a hurricane hinge on the top that is sealed up, and it has another bulb seal there. It has these really nice clasps that are adjustable, so I can get it as tight as I need it to be, and it still opens perfectly fine. And it actually holds a lot of weight. It takes a lot of weight to actually pull this down, but it's really good. It's at the perfect head height to stand under here, so you can stand under here if it's raining. This countertop right here is at the perfect height for cooking. I've got a lot of space down here for coolers and extra bags. Eventually I'm gonna have some hanging storage in here. That's why I've got this net. I'll have this net going along the whole entire top. I also added these super bright lights under here and another underlight here that'll act as like foot lighting for when it's dark at night. And overall, the whole back kitchen area has turned out super well. If I could do anything differently about this, I would have definitely made this a little bit lower, and I would have had this go this same height here, but I would have had this be pushed back probably another 5 or 6 inches just to give a little bit more counter space. Right now, I think it's at about 15 or 16 inches, and I really wish it was closer to that like 24 inch, like that 2-foot area. But it still works. It still works pretty well. You know, I'm not making 5-course meals out here, but it does pretty well for what it is. So moving on to the inside, we finally have a mattress. This is a 4-inch folding mattress that will go from a full-size bed, and it'll fold into a couch so that you can place it on the back wall and be looking out this window here, or you can place it on the back wall and have my computer screen there working as like a TV almost, or you can fold it up and hide it underneath there, and then you get this full area here for storage. I really like having the option to fold this into a couch. It takes hardly any time at all, and it just adds a lot of like mobility and a lot of diversity to it, so you can have multiple different spaces. You can go from a bed to a couch to a full storage platform, and I just really like that aspect. Over here, I've gone with the EcoFlow River with the Max mod, so I have a larger battery. Right now I have the overtop fan on, and it's on setting 2, and it's drawing hardly any power at all. I have that wired up into that fuse box. Then I have my USBs, and that goes into the under cabinet LEDs. It also has LEDs on the side there. So if I turn these on right now, I'll set it to white. It's still pretty bright in here, but as you can see, the lights are on. They work pretty nice. That USB fan down there, I will link in the description. It's the best USB fan I've ever seen. It uses hardly any power, and it pushes a lot of air. It's also super quiet, but it produces a lot of white noise, which is good for sleeping. Up here, I have our blanket folded up. I added some fake grass in here just to give it a little bit of protection against that solid wood. These are the curtains that go Velcroed along the corner. Those curtains are really nice because what you can do is you can put the whole entire curtain up there, seal all the edges off, and then you can open this bottom up just a little bit and leave the windows open, and then that fan will pull air through the bottom and it goes right onto you while you're sleeping, and it works out really well for staying cool in the summer heat. There is a image of the fan up there. That fan works really well for pulling air. It's got a nice white noise to it when you're sleeping, so it's super nice. This folding step stool is super nice for getting in and out of the camper. This was some extra carpet from making the carpet of the camper. All that goes into our front box there. Also have this box here for our shoes, so our shoes stay nice and dry. Alright, so I've gone ahead and taken the sheet off of the mattress here, and I folded it into that couch mode. As you can see, it's perfect right here, so you can sit on the couch. You can throw your computer, your iPad, whatever you want up there and have it as a TV screen. You can also move this couch this way and have it as your couch to face out the door, so you can look at your view of your siding of your house. And then this also will fold and slide underneath of there perfectly, and you'll have like 6 feet of just complete storage. You can throw all your bins, all your boxes, all your bedding, everything. So overall, I'm really happy with how the camper has turned out. Everything has gone really well. Like that little happy accident up there, the whole rear hatch area, I'm super proud of. I did all of that myself. Like I said, I also have some really nice aluminum going around just to trim it off and protect it. Everything about this has been just like slow and steady, making sure everything's done the right way, taking my time, trying to make sure I get everything I want inside of it, but not making it too wild and crazy. So yeah, I'm really glad I got this project finished up. I'm really glad I went through with it and actually built it. I want to thank everybody that has stayed and watched all the videos. And if you haven't watched all the videos, make sure you go back and watch part 1 all the way to part 4. This is actually part 5 in the build videos. So if you haven't seen those, definitely go check them out. I also make a lot of other videos, so got a lot of cool stuff going on. I'm going to be making some more camping videos. I just bought a GoPro Hero 10. I'm going to do some motorcycle videos as well. So if you'd like to see those, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video and share it with your friends to show them how cool of a project this is, and give your friends some ideas as to what they can do to make their own. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.